Hello, this is Christian Ochoa with MISO BIM. This tutorial topic is floors. This course is considered a beginner level. You will learn how to create a floor by tracing over an AutoCAD drawing. The floor tool can be found in the Architecture tab above the Build panel. You'll be using the architectural floor. When the floor command is activated, you'll enter sketch mode. Sketch mode allows you to sketch elements whose size or shape cannot be determined automatically, such as a roof or a floor. When you enter sketch mode, the ribbon displays the tools needed for the type of sketch you are creating or editing, and other elements display in halftone. The only way to get out of sketch mode is to click on either the check icon, which saves your changes, or the X icon, which cancels all changes. The draw panel will hold the tools to allow you to draw sketch lines, such as the line tool and the rectangle tool. Let's start modeling the floors for each room, shown in the linked CAD file of our hotel plan. To start drawing our floor, go to the Level 1 plan view and select the Floor tool. The floor type we will use will be the generic 12 inches. In Revit, floors have to be set to a level. In this example, we will use Level 1. Go to the Draw panel and select the Line tool to trace over your imported symbol. To draw the lines, just click the start point and click again to set the end point. You also have the option to use the Pick Lines tool, which creates lines based off selected line work. This method may save time, but only if the lines you're picking from are whole clean segments. If the line work is not joined, you would then have to use the Trim tool to join the corners. With the chain setting on, keep tracing the floor perimeter until you formed a closed shape. Once you have traced the floor boundary, you can click on the check to finish edit mode and your floor will be created. Keep in mind that sketch lines cannot overlap and there cannot be any gaps in the sketch or you will get a warning such as this one. From here, click on Continue, delete the overlapping lines, and click on Finish Edit Mode. Open an elevation view and see exactly where your floor is located in relation to its level. In Revit, the top of the floor is aligned to the floor's level. You can choose to offset that by typing in a number in the height offset in the Properties palette. Once your floor has been created and you want to edit it, click on the floor, then click on the Edit Boundary tool. Apply your changes, and then select the checked icon to save them and exit sketch mode. You will learn more about floor materials and structure in the intermediate tutorial. That concludes our beginner course on floors. Thanks for watching.